Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix sound not working in Windows 11. So the first what we need to do, we go here to click on the Windows button, and then we go search for settings. We click on the settings over here. And now once we here head to the settings, just go and click on system, and then choose sound, this option, click on it. And once you head here to the sound, just go and click on choose where to play sound, this option, click on it, and choose the speakers that you're using. And once you choose them, go here to volume and try to change these to see if there is any effect, which is as you can see right now. So that's the first method. If it doesn't work, just follow me to the second method. The second method here, just go and click on the Windows button once again, and here search for device manager, and click on the device manager here on control panel. Now once you're here on the device manager, just let me take the screen bigger, and now go to audio inputs and outputs and click over here and go to the device you're using. For me, I'm using microphone. Enter here and then just go right click and click on update driver, and here click on search automatically for drivers and click on it and wait a few seconds until you can see the best drivers for your device are already installed, and click on close here. If still doesn't work, just go and right click here and then choose properties, and here go for driver. And as you can see, this option, it might be available for you, which is rollback driver. So just if it's available, just click on it, and that's how the sound will be working, and click on OK. The last option, it's not still working, just go to the Windows here and search for get help and open this option here. And once you get to the get help here, as you can see, just write no here, no sound, and click on enter. And as you can see here, they can suggest you some articles to help you with that. So that was all today's video. Thanks for watching.